Back pain. Understanding, treating, and preventing. Back pain can be debilitating, affecting our daily life. It can be persistent or intermittent, and its intensity can range from a dull ache to a sharp sensation. Understanding the nature of back pain is the first step in managing it. It's often linked to the complex structure of our spine, consisting of vertebrae, discs, nerves, and muscles. Damage or strain to any of these can result in back pain. Disc degeneration is a common cause of back pain. As we age, our discs naturally degenerate, losing their ability to cushion the vertebrae and causing discomfort or pain. Muscle or ligament strain is another typical cause. Constant strain on your back can cause painful muscle spasms. This can be due to heavy lifting or an abrupt, awkward movement. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to back pain too. Prolonged sitting weakens the muscles in our back and puts stress on the spine, leading to pain. Now let's discuss 7 ways to treat and prevent back pain. Maintaining good posture is of paramount importance. Slouching exerts extra pressure on your spine. Always ensure that your back is aligned against the back of your office chair. Regular physical activity is essential. Keeping your back muscles strong can help prevent back pain. Exercises like swimming, walking, or yoga can increase strength and flexibility in your back. Managing your weight is equally significant. Excess weight puts additional strain on your back, leading to pain. Adhering to a healthy diet and regular exercise can help maintain a healthy weight. Appropriate ergonomics at work can go a long way in preventing back pain. Ensure that your workspace is set up correctly to avoid straining your back. Avoiding heavy lifting can help prevent back strain. If you must lift heavy objects, ensure you use your legs and not your back to avoid injury. In some cases, medication may be necessary. Over-the-counter pain relievers can relieve back pain. Always consult your doctor before starting any medication. Incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can help manage back pain. These techniques help to relax the muscles and relieve tension. Remember, understanding your back pain is crucial to treating and preventing it. Always consult a healthcare professional if your back pain persists or increases in intensity. Take care of your back, and it will take care of you. Revitalize your life. Experience relief from back pain. Through 5 essential exercises. Do you suffer from persistent back pain? Reclaim your freedom with these 5 transformative exercises designed to relieve back pain, improve posture, and enhance overall wellness. The first exercise is the child's pose, a restful stretch for the back muscles. Kneel on the floor, touch your big toes together, then sit on your heels. Lean forward to touch your forehead to the floor, arms extended. Hold and breathe. Our second movement is the cat-cow stretch. Begin on your hands and knees, then alternate between arching your back like a stretching cat, then dipping it down as you lift your chin and chest. The third exercise is the pelvic tilt. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Gently arch your back, then flatten it against the floor. This subtle movement can do wonders for lower back pain. Next is the pigeon pose. Start in a push-up position. Bring your left knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Your left foot should be in front of your right hip while your right leg is extended straight behind you. The last exercise is the Superman. Lie face down, then lift your arms, legs, and chest off the floor. This strengthens the entire back and shoulders, helping to relieve and prevent back pain. All these exercises can be modified to suit your fitness level and degree of back discomfort. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body and not push beyond your limits. Consistency is key. Performing these exercises daily will significantly improve your back health and overall fitness in a surprisingly short period of time. Regular exercise not only alleviates back pain, it also boosts your mood, improves sleep, and increases energy levels. You'll feel better, look better, and live better. Remember to cool down after your exercises. Gentle stretching can aid muscle recovery and minimize stiffness. A regular cool-down routine is as important as the exercises themselves. It's also wise to consult with a health professional before starting any new exercise routine. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs and goals. Empower yourself to live a life free of back pain. Let these 5 exercises be your guide to a more active, healthier, and happier lifestyle. You're not just relieving back pain, you're reclaiming the joy and freedom of movement. Start today because your health is worth it. Revitalize your life. Experience relief from back pain through 5 essential exercises. An indispensable guide for anyone seeking a non-medicated active solution to back pain.